In this lesson, we're going to look at some of the specific skills that you need to use for questions like list of headings, paragraph completion, and multiple choice during the exam. So we will try to do this fairly similar to the real exam situation, so in 20 minutes plus a bit of time for some explanation. Okay, so now turn to page 132 in the curriculum book, and remember the first step when we're doing a reading is to have a quick look at the questions to see which questions are okay to read and which questions we should just wait to look at until after we read the passage. So the first question in reading passage 2 is a list of headings question. Now with list of headings, it's okay to skim read even though there's some extra information, because this will give you a general idea of the reading passage. So list of headings, reasons as the basis for knowledge, the relation between reasons and math, the end goals of empirical pursuits, is Socrates a man or a mortal? Philosophy as the pursuit of knowledge and truth. Math versus reason, the differences, using the right tool, a central debate in education, the lack of practicality as philosophy's downfall, the value of education and practice, and purity as beauty. Okay, great. So clearly this passage will be about philosophy and what is philosophy and why is philosophy studied. Now if we flip to the next questions, we see that the next one is a completing the summary. Again, remember, completing the summary, all of this information is paraphrased from the passage, so it's a good one to skim read real quickly. Again, you don't have to read in detail, you don't need to understand it all, just quickly skim read the question. Philosophy teaches us how to reason, which in turn can help us deconstruct something. Students schooled in the precepts of reason are able to differentiate between an argument which follows from the given premises and one that does not and is something. Force of opinion has no impact on the something of the opinion. This is because forcefulness is the wrong something for the job of convincing someone of a viewpoint. In physical battles, the correct implement is blank. In discursive arguments, it is blank alone, which leads to truth. Okay, then after this, I'm looking at question 25 and 26. So this is on page 135 again. I can see right away that this is multiple choice, so I will not read the multiple choice question simply because it's going to confuse me. There are at least 3 wrong answers there, so I'm going to leave that one till after I'm done reading the passage.